Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum, and this is Uptown 101, my company, and it's my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so we're at the Hanover Preston Hollow. The Hanover Preston Hollow, this is in Dallas, Texas. This is a new high-rise, very, very recently completed, and it's really pretty. Let's talk about the Preston Hollow area that this is in. This is off 12 or Northwest Highway, depending on what area of town you're in, but it's Northwest Highway, and I would call it kind of definitely a very, very prosperous kind of old money area, if you would. This is in the middle of a beautiful neighborhood. You can see all the things around here, very beautiful, well established. Park Cities Baptist Church, there's shopping and restaurants, and there's shopping really close by. It's walkable. It's just right down there. And this is the Preston Hollow area. This is known for, again, just very prosperous, well-established homes. There's great restaurants that cater to this area. While there are chains, there are also some really delightful boutique shopping and restaurants that are here too. Across the street, you know, these kind of homes are going to be in the 3 to 4 million category. So this is a very nice area to be in. Why you'd want to maybe choose the Hanover Preston Hollow is it's a good midpoint. So this is going to be about, if you're working in downtown Dallas or uptown Dallas, this is about 15 minutes away from that. You would just access it from, you just go down there just a little bit and you go to the North Dallas Tollway, and you'd go south. And it's about, like I said, about 15 minutes or so should get you to a lot of what you need to get to down there. If you're working north by any chance, and you kind of want to still be closer south, if you're working in Addison or even Plano or Frisco, this is also a good kind of, middle Dallas location. So that's why you would want to be here too. I have clients that love this, and they love it because maybe they have 2 locations that they work with, maybe one in Dallas and one in Frisco. So that's also another reason. This is also really, really close to airports. This is 10 to 12 minutes away from Love Field, and then probably about 30 minutes from the other airport as well. So anyway, this is a little bit about the area. Really pretty area, and I think you'd love it here, depending on what your needs are. But it's a beautiful area. Okay, if you have any questions at any time, send me a text. Just use the number below. And now, on the next video, we're going to talk a little bit about valet and some of the special amenities they have in the garage. So let's go look at that right now.